so we were really lucky. None of it got underneath and it's all clear down the bottom. So turn this off first and then take that off. So I'm going to test and show you. At the moment, some of the chlorine, spectate ions from the barium chloride will be sitting on the barium sulfate. So there'll be some chlorine ions, some ammonium ions, anything else sitting on there. We want to wash all of that off, otherwise the weight will be too heavy. So just to show you what we're going to do, we're going to make sure we've got all of this out too, because there's some left on there. If we didn't get all of that out, then the weight would be too low. So two different errors. We're going to wash it, but we want to make sure that we've totally cleaned it. So a way of testing, we know there's chlorine ions in there at the moment because we put barium chloride. So if we add silver and chlorine will get together and make a silver chloride precipitate. Okay, so it looks actually the same as the barium sulfate. A lot of precipitates are white, but if I drop this in, you can see we have, so I'm adding the silver. It's silver nitrate, the nitrate's soluble. So the silver and the chlorine are getting together and making a precipitate, yeah? Which shows that we have chlorine ions. So we're going to pour this out and then wash. So first we have to collect this because it's got silver in it. We can't pour that down the sink. So first of all, we need to make sure that we've got all of the barium sulfate out of here. So we need to rinse it, and then we need to wash off the other ions. If we use hot water, it'll help make the, like, if there's chlorine ions stuck on there, they're attracted to the barium. So we need to wash them away from the barium. So if we use heat, that will help break that bond and wash out the chlorine ions. Okay, so first of all, I should use my meat. So we'll put a little bit of this in here. Swirl it all around, make sure that we've caught any barium sulfate that we left in there. Yeah. And put our tap on. Okay, so three seems to be the magic number. Stronger, so hopefully don't end up, now that we've caught all our barium sulfate, don't end up washing any of it out. Alright, so the heat, so there'll still be some chlorine ions on there we want to wash off, and there'll be ammonium ions and various things. Okay, so we just wash it all over carefully, hoping that we don't wash anything off. Okay, so if we switch this off, take it off. So there should still definitely be chlorine ions here, because this is our first wash. Just set it over here. And we'll test again with the silver. So we should still get, yep, so you can see we've still got chlorine ions. So pour that out. Again. So I will continue washing this until when I add the silver, nothing happens. Okay, so we just pause it now and I'll keep washing it.